She walked into the courtroom with a smile that would shock everyone, but it wasn't the only shocking thing about her. Isabella Guzman, a teenager involved in a tragic family incident, would soon make detectives snap.
You're one of the most evil person I've ever sat across the table from.
You've come in here trying to fucking act like you're so goddamn smart.
No.
You're not getting out of jail. It makes me physically sick to look at you.
Do the DNA test that will prove me.
Don't tell me how to do my job.
Courtroom observers uneasy and eventually become a viral sensation on TikTok. In August 2013, 18-year-old Isabella Guzman was involved in a tragic incident at her home in Aurora, Colorado, resulting in the death of her mother. The event left the community in shock and raised many questions about the circumstances leading up to it. Her stepfather discovered Isabella at the scene and called for help. Isabella fled the home but was apprehended the following day. The case quickly garnered national attention due to the severity of the situation and Isabella's age. During the subsequent police interrogation, Isabella's behavior baffled detectives. Despite the gravity of the situation, she remained eerily calm and composed. At times, she even smiled, which unsettled the investigators.
You think some juror sitting on a jury is going to believe that you're not the person we suspect killed their mother? When you're caught right down the street with knife injuries to your hand?
Scissors.
It's not scissor injuries.
I told you they were scissors.
It's not scissor injuries.
Yes, it was. You're not going to bully me into admitting what you want me to like. Please stop
feel?
accusing me of this.
Just tell me how that feels.
Please fingerprint me. Please fingerprint me. Please fingerprint me. I will show you that I am not this freaky, horrible person. I want to meet my boyfriend. He's probably worried about me.
They described her demeanor as detached and unsettling, with one detective admitting that he nearly lost his composure due to her lack of emotion.
You're acting like you're running this investigation.
What do you mean?
You're demanding to be fingerprinted. You're demanding to be weighed.
Don't I have a right?
You're telling us that you're not this person, that we've made a big mistake, we've arrested the
Don't
wrong
I have
person.
a right to prove that I am innocent? Yes, right? Please
Do you understand the
bring
law?
somebody please to fingerprint me. If the DNA doesn't match,
We don't
you
even
can't
need your
keep
DNA
me.
to prove anything.
Yeah, you do.
No, we don't. We don't need
I
anything.
watch forensic files. You can't lie to me about
That's TV.
everything.
TV show, you idiot.
So what do you
That's a
mean?
TV show. Do you believe everything they put on TV is real?
I thought
How
it was-
stupid are you? Are you going to put your life in the hands of some TV show?
No, I'm.
Is that what you're going to bargain your life on?
I'm bargaining-
Forensic Files says that you got to have a DNA match?
Yeah.
Really?
Well, yeah.
Really, Isabella? Does that make any goddamn sense to you?
Isabella. Stop calling me Isabella.
That's your name.
No, it's not.
It is too.
No, it isn't.
You make me upset.
I haven't done anything to you.
Isabella's responses were often cryptic. She claimed to be someone named Samantha and expressed a belief that her mother was not actually her mother, but another woman who needed to die to save the world.
Is this just your way of dealing with this? You pretend you're somebody you're not? I mean, is that your mechanism for...
This is just really frustrating. I'm not even really scared or anything at all because I know that I'm not this person.
So you're not scared at all?
Because I'm not her. So she's 110 pounds. That's really skinny. I'm 148 pounds.
Isabella, please.
Don't call me Isabella. That's really
That's your name.
frisky. My name is not Isabella. My name is Samantha. There are people in this world who look alike, you know.
Mhm.
You guys are not, like, all-knowing. You don't know everything. You're just accusing me of all this stuff that I didn't do.
Do you understand what I'm saying, Isabella? Do you understand what I'm saying?
Don't call me Isabella.
Do you understand what I'm saying?
I'm not Isabella.
These delusions led to her being diagnosed with schizophrenia. When the case went to trial, Isabella's courtroom behavior continued to draw attention. She sat through proceedings with a blank expression, occasionally smiling or smirking at inappropriate moments. Her demeanor was in contrast to the emotional reactions of others in the courtroom, including her family members and the prosecution team. Legal experts and observers noted that Isabella's behavior could be indicative of her mental state at the time of the crime. Her defense team argued that she was not guilty by reason of insanity, citing her schizophrenia diagnosis and the delusions she experienced. After months of legal proceedings, Isabella Guzman's case reached its conclusion in 2014. Rather than being sent to a traditional prison, Isabella was found not guilty by reason of insanity. The court determined that she was suffering from severe mental health issues at the time of the incident, which meant she could not fully understand or control her actions. Experts testified that she had been suffering from schizophrenia for years, with symptoms that worsened leading up to the incident. They explained that her delusions were so vivid that she genuinely believed she was someone else and that her mother was an imposter. Instead of a prison sentence, Isabella was committed to the Colorado Mental Health Institute in Pueblo, a high-security psychiatric facility. There, she was ordered to remain under treatment for an indefinite period of time, potentially for the rest of her life. Over the years, Isabella has appeared before review boards, attempting to prove that she is stable and ready to re-enter society. In these hearings, she has claimed that treatment has helped her recover and that she no longer poses a danger. However, each request for release has been carefully scrutinized, as the memory of her courtroom behavior and the tragedy that shocked the community still lingers.
I'm not mentally ill anymore. I'm not a danger to myself. If I could change it or if I could take it back, I would.
Following the trial, Isabella's courtroom moments began circulating on social media platforms, particularly TikTok. Users were captivated by her unusual behavior and began creating videos analyzing her expressions and demeanor. The hashtag Isabella Guzman quickly gained traction, with thousands of videos and discussions centered around her case. Some users expressed sympathy, acknowledging her mental health struggles, while others criticized her for what they perceived as inappropriate behavior during the trial. The viral nature of these videos created conversations about the ethics of discussing real-life tragedies on social media and the impact of such content on public perception. The widespread attention Isabella received on TikTok raised important ethical questions. While some argued that discussing her case brought awareness to mental health issues, others felt that it exploited her situation for entertainment purposes. The line between raising awareness and sensationalizing a tragedy became a topic of debate. Experts in psychology and ethics weighed in, cautioning against reducing complex human experiences to viral content. They emphasized the need for sensitivity and respect when discussing individuals who have experienced trauma or mental health challenges. Isabella Guzman's story reminds us of the complexities surrounding mental health, crime, and media consumption. It challenges us to consider how we engage with real-life stories and the responsibility we bear in shaping public perception. As we reflect on this case, it's essential to approach such topics with empathy and understanding, recognizing the human experiences behind the headlines. If you found this analysis insightful, please like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth examinations of true crime stories. Thanks for watching.